Welcome to another demo class. My name is Brenda Vasquez from EFI at Intecap. Today, in this video, you will learn how to teach prepositions of place using these cards. Let's start. Good afternoon, guys. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Okay, today we are going to study prepositions of place to talk about, what do you think?
Places.
Places where?
In the city. In the city.
In the city, of course. Let me give you your cards and explain you what you have to do. Please take 8 cards.
Okay.
And take 8, and you too. Okay, 8 of them.
Do you have 8?
Okay, thank you. You have 8?
Do you have 8? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you sure that you have 8?
No, I think I have 1.
Okay. What you have to do now? You need to arrange your city according to the places that you have, and you can arrange it. For example, put in the church next to the market or the barber shop next to the city. Okay, do it.
Okay.
This one is repeated.
You can change it. Do you want the market? No. The stadium?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. I can see that you already arranged your cities. Okay, I like the way you did it. Okay, let me explain you now. I will give you a set of these prepositions of place. Here you will find next to, between, across from, and behind. All of them include the same. This is for you, Ale, and this is for you, Valerie.
Okay.
Okay. Take it, and now what you have to do. Take one preposition of place and describe one of your places. Only one. And we are going to start with Ali. Diana, please, could you tell me what you have to do now?
We have to describe our city using the prepositions.
Could you give me an example?
Yes. I'll use between.
Mm-hmm.
So the boutique is between the hotel and the hair salon.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, that is correct. Ale, do you understand what you have to do?
Yes,
You?
we have to.
Okay, let's start with, do you want to start?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with Ale.
Okay. So the church is across from the stadium.
Correct. Very good. Please.
Okay. I'll use next to. The drugstore is next to the shoe store.
Correct. Very good. You can put it here.
Okay.
The ones that you already use.
So the city hall is behind the bakery store.
That's correct. Okay, you can put it here.
Okay.
Then, please, Diana.
The park is across from the stadium.
Yes, that is correct. It's across from the stadium.
Okay. There's a hospital between the park and the stadium.
Correct.
Okay. Behind. No, I don't have anything with behind. Across from. The drugstore is across from the bank.
Correct. If you want to use behind, you can rearrange your city. Maybe you can
okay.
put some, for example, place
Okay,
behind
sure.
something. Okay, try it again, please.
Okay. The drugstore is behind the shoe store.
Correct.
Okay. So the bank is next to the bus station.
Very good.
The drugstore is behind the park.
Correct. Ale, please.
The barber shop is located right behind the city hall.
Correct.
The hair salon is between the boutique and the bank.
The bakery store is across from the cathedral. The pizzeria is between the stadium and the school.
Okay, let's start again from Diana to Ale.
Okay. The stadium is next to the pizzeria.
Very good.
The bakery store is between the boutique and the bus station.
Since you don't have another one, let's go with Ale.
Okay, there's a cheap hotel next to the market.
Very good. Now that you already finished, please give me back the cards, the prepositions cards.
Okay.
Only. And leave your neighborhood like that.
Like the way it is.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Now, you need to work in pairs. Ale, please work with Valerie, and Diana with Dacia. What you have to do? You need to explain her how is her neighborhood. And then Diana is going to explain you how is your neighborhood. Is that okay? Do you understand what you have to do?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with this team.
Okay, so the cathedral is between the post office and the school. And the bakery store is between the bus station and the boutique. The bank is behind the bus station and the city hall is behind the bakery store.
Very good, congratulations, you did it well. Now Dacia, please.
Okay, so the drugstore is behind the park. The park is across from the stadium.
Stadium.
Yes, stadium. And the pizzeria is between the school and the stadium. And the school is next to the hair salon.
Very good. Please, Valerie.
Okay. Let's see. This is one and this is another. Okay. So the hospital is next to the park. The barber shop is behind, I think, the city hall. And
Just use the ones that you can see, because in that one,
yeah, those
it's
are the only
completely
ones
different.
I can see.
Okay, it's not a problem. Now, Ale, please.
If you go straight north, there's a hotel in the corner, and next to it, there's a boutique. At the end of the street, there's a drugstore in the corner, and behind the drugstore, there's a shoe store.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Now, what you have to do. This is the final practice. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, I like it. Now, you need to use a complete sentence using two prepositions at the same time, using one of them.
My city. I can
Using
use my
your
city.
city.
Okay.
Great. Let's start with Diana.
Okay. The park that is next to the cathedral is across from the stadium.
Very good, Diana. Good job. Please.
Okay, so the bakery store is next to the bus station and it's also across from the cathedral.
Excellent.
Okay. The bakery store, which is across from the boutique, is between the pizzeria and the shoe store.
Excellent.
The park is next to the hospital and between the city hall and the hospital.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this class. I will be here tomorrow at the same time. Don't forget to do your homework.
Yes.
Have a nice day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media. See you in the next class.